the Commonwealth, I would, by contraries, execute all things. For no kinds of traffic would I admit, no name a magistrate. Letters should not be known. Riches, poverty, and no use of service, none. Contract succession, born, bound of land, till vineyard, none. No use of metal, corn, or wine, or oil. No occupation, all men idle. All. And women too, but innocent and pure. No sovereignty. All things in common nature should produce, without sweat or endeavor. Treason, felony, sword, pike, knife, gun, or need of any engine would I not have, but nature should bring forth of its own kind of all points of it. All abundance to feed my innocent people. I would with such perfection govern, sir, to excel the golden age.
Commonwealth, I would by extra contraries execute all things, for all things of liberal studies would I admit. All things bound, whether being tales, poetics, letters, as well as folly, shall be known and executed by all twice over. Thou attendst not. My art will be loosely spread through the air, charming, mystifying all who see without seeing. Exercise shall be of the mind, forever turning, yet with a fond curiosity of art. All humanity, scholars, all. For none shall work, if only work for the art. And for a great illusionist, it shall be a golden age among a mirror of golden ages.
Now my charms are all o'erthrown. The fair, natural Gonzalo stands against the studies of magical Prospero. Reality parallel with illusion, art mystifying nature, two elements thrown against their will on a single island. Shall it be resolved? Thou shalt read the Tempest, and thou shalt learn.